Can we imagine our life without fresh water and fresh air? A place without fresh air and water is not a fit place to live in. The earth sustains us. It provides basic necessity to live like water, air, food, trees. Means it provides enough to satisfy our needs. It is important that we should not harm the earth but preserve it for our future. There are several threats to nature like pollution, use of plastics and chemicals, and deforestations. And such threats created problems like natural disasters, global warming, and nature is imbalanced. To create a healthy environment, to safeguard the present and future generations, to protect wildlife, to promote biodiversity, to protect natural resources, and to make people understand about the importance of the conservation of nature. It is necessary to raise awareness about the best practices to protect our natural resources. World Nature Conservation Day is observed each year on July 28. Conservation of nature means the preservation of forests, lands, natural gases. M.S. Swaminathan has said, if conservation of natural resources goes wrong, nothing else will go right. Our planet is a beautiful gift to us. Protecting it should be start with us, and everyone should help in protecting the earth. We can help in protecting the earth by making simple and small changes. We can spread awareness about the importance and value of our natural resources. Natural resources can be conserved by following 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Planting more trees will help in providing food, oxygen, and in saving energy. Use of energy efficient light bulbs will help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. We should use reusable shopping bags in place of plastic bags. We all know that world and environment need our help. We should all try our best and support the nature. Thanks to the United Nations and other active organizations, the government of all countries are very concerned about the conservation of nature in their countries. Let's we all come together to help in protecting the environment.